Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to installing Instagram on a laptop. You begin by opening a browser and typing Instagram into the search bar to find the website. Click on the first result, www.instagram.com, to open Instagram's web interface on your laptop. On that page, click the three-dot icon in the browser's top right corner. Navigate to More Tools. Create Shortcut to create an app-like shortcut for Instagram. Confirm by clicking Create to add the Instagram shortcut to your desktop or Start menu. Once created, you'll see Instagram on your laptop's home page like an installed app. The video reassures viewers that this method effectively downloads and installs Instagram on a PC. Ends by asking viewers to like and subscribe if the tutorial was helpful.